Hi guys, so this is a quick video about niche research. I had a comment on the Valentine's Day book that showed you how to make. Wanting some information on niches, how you can niche down the product, or maybe it's what to list it under when you list it on Amazon. And I thought I might as well do a little bit of research live-ish and just show you what I come up with. I'm using a tool called Titans Pro. I'll see what pops up when I start trying to niche down the product. The book we made, it's a Valentine's Day book, Love Notes. I showed you how to make each page. This is a double page spread. On the left hand side is an image. The right hand side is a love note that the person who is given the book as a present will fill in. And you can make it as rude or as innocent as you want. You make my blank feel blank. Make it innocent. You make my heart feel happy. Make it a bit saucier. You make my genitals feel fizzy. And it's packed full of little love notes like that. This is it here. And this person wanted niche ideas. So we'll pop to Amazon and I'll show you what sort of keywords might work for this sort of book. So we're in Amazon.com rather than .co.uk. A couple of reasons. Firstly, because it's a different marketplace to where I shop from, so there'll be less of my history involved in it. I could use an incognito window. Also, the add-on I'm about to use, Titans Pro, doesn't work with .co.uk, or I can't make it work with .co.uk, so we'll do it in .com. So I'm just going to type in, it's a Valentine's Day book, so I'm just going to type in Valentine's book. And what Titans Pro does is it slows your page down for a start, but it also gives you a breakdown. This is the quick view. So I'll get a niche score here, and I'm expecting it to be quite a high niche, and you get other results here. The niche score is a number out of 100, and it also gives you a little indicator. So niche score 7, red, very poor. So it says here, over 60 is good, over 50 is fine if you're doing a new product. So 7, rubbish. Valentine's Day book, it's too broad. So we'll go for him. And again, we're just trying to niche it down and see what we'll get. So straight away, we're hitting a 73. There are only 3,891 results. The BSR average is 36,000, so it's not great, but it's not too bad. There is potential there because the low has got a BSR of 32. I want to stroll through and see what sort of books they are. Coupon books, very big. So that's not a bad start. Valentine's Day books for him. We'll try for her. 65, again, it's not bad. Valentine's book is quite a low scoring result. When I say low, I mean low search results. If we were to switch this to gift, you'll probably find that it's going to be the niche score is going to be a lot lower because there's a lot more things that class as a gift. But book's a good start. Valentine's Day book is a good start. So there you go. It's a score of 40, so it's not great. It's not as bad as I thought it might be, but 40, you know, it's okay. You can put it in there as a keyword maybe, if you needed keywords. You can also, because you make this book by yourself, you can niche it down in the images you use. So we'll go back to Valentine's gift, and we'll try for lesbians. So you're niching down. You're using, instead of a man and a woman couple on the images, you can use same-sex couples. So we'll try lesbian, we'll try gay, we can try any other sort of sexuality that's out there. You niche down the images as much as you want. So there you go. Valentine's gift, which is a great, it's probably a more popular search term than Valentine's book. For lesbians, you're getting only 600 results, a niche score of 78, BSR average 491,000, low 57,000. I'd be happy with it if my book had a low score of 5,000. If we change this to Valentine's book, obviously the more you niche down, there's a chance that you'll miss your audience entirely. But you've got 7 phrases for these keywords. You've got your title to use, you've got your subtitle. So oddly, Valentine's Day book for lesbians isn't as high a niche score, because the term is probably too narrow. So that's not bad. Niche it down however you want. We'll try, again, we can try ethnicity. So Valentine's book for we'll try black couple first. So there are products. Of course there are, because people try and cover every niche. A score of 53. We'll try Valentine's gift. So just play around with the words. This tool, the Titans Quick View, is completely free. There's a pro version which I have not used. You know, how accurate it is, I don't know, but it's a good indicator of how things are. To be honest, the information on this page probably isn't more. You could probably find it by looking through the pages yourself, but you've got to get through a lot of information to try and narrow this down. Valentine's gift for black couple, a load of search results, niche score low. So it's worth playing about and finding out what you can. Valentine's gift for lesbians was a great one. Valentine's gift for, we'll put gay in, but you can have gay men or gay women in your search term. So Valentine's gift for gay, 65. Again, the results are low. The BSR is not too bad, 1,000. There's a lot of reviews, that helps with the niche score. So it's worth trying these things out. Again, we'll just niche it down a bit further. We'll say gay men. And again, because we're niching it down further, it might completely miss everything because it's too narrow, or you might hit the sweet spot. 67, not bad. So this is just some ideas as to how you can use the book. You can use it as is with a heteronormative couple. Is that the right phrase? I don't know. And you can use the word book instead of gift to get you a better niche score, or you can be more specific if you want to stay with the Valentine's gift. Valentine's Day gift, I think, would be a more broadly searched term. But if you go by the niche scores, Valentine's Day gift for lesbians, Valentine's Day gift for gay man or woman, the underrepresented people are really probably where this niche is going to be more successful. It can work, of course, for straight couples, but there are a lot more competition. Marginalised groups of people who aren't getting catered for by the mainstream, although things are improving, thankfully. But you can fill that gap. So that's it. Just a quick video. Hopefully you'll find that useful, and also it's great for other sorts of research. I might even start following my own advice soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.